Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with a bit review, not a special review, is a debit card from Bank N26. Okay, this is a very good virtual bank. It's one of the best virtual bank. Okay, this is from Germany. Recently, a few years ago, they started the option. If I'm not wrong, they have more than 5 million clients all over the world. The best part of it, they give you European IBAN or bank account. Okay, for this card is not totally virtual. They have office in Berlin, if I'm not wrong, and you can go to some particular ATM. You can put money to their account directly. So this works exactly as a real bank account. You have so many other options. You have TransferWise, Revolut, and more other options, but most of them are total virtual. This is an app of N26. You can ask for the card here, whatever you want. You have to pop 20 euro in this case, or $20. Check the account here, you said 20 euro. So ask for the card. Card is free. In my case, I have some problem with the card. The name is not right on the card, but same anyway. I want to show you this. Okay, you have so many options, Phone Explorer, so you know this app. If you want to know more things about this, write me. I'll make more video to describe you how you can use. This comes very fast, only 2 or 3 days I get this to my Spanish house. Okay, probably I'm in Europe, that's why if you're another place, maybe it would take a little bit more. Okay, here you see the envelope I have here. It's Spanish Postal Service. Okay, the address is hidden. I don't want you to steal my information. Okay, and let me show you the card. As you see, this is the card. Okay, I'm trying to hiding the information. I will take out. It's a business account. You see business is written. You see, this is the card here. It's come in the paper. You have to take out. It's attached with the glue. I will take out from the glue and I'll show you. Okay, this is the card. I hide my information so nobody can steal it. See, debit is written here. This is contactless. You touch, you pay. You have a chip also in this. The chip is bigger than normal credit card. N26 is written business. Some other information written here, there. Backside you can slide also this card. So you have 3 options. You have chip, you have slide, also contactless. So this is a card developed for today. This is MasterCard. Okay, somewhere is written underneath. So it's a beautiful card. It's transparent. You can see it's transparent. It's a beautiful looking card. Nothing is special. You have to pop up money. If you use, I think the return use 0.01%. Okay, so that is awesome about it. Okay, so good, beautiful. Okay, nothing special. And here you see the other paperwork I have here. This is information from them. Here was the card, the glue for activate in N26 app. You can activate the card from there. Beautiful. Okay, nothing is special, but the delivery was really surprising fast. Okay, if you want to know more thing about this bank and this credit card and more other things, please write me in comment section. I will make more video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.